You have to understand who you are in the center as related to the outside of this thing in the spiritual jurisdictions. That's the key to all of this, because everything inside is contrived and doesn't really exist. There are no borders. The animals don't check in at the border. They just fly across. And the perfect example is the Canada goose, that flies south into the United States in the winter and then flies back to Canada in the summer, in the spring. And it doesn't check in at the border. But if you try and bring a goose in your car and cross a border, and it doesn't matter if that goose is dead or alive, you're going to have armed guys saying you can't do it. And at the same moment that some guy is pulling a gun on you saying you cannot bring this dead or alive bird in your car, there could be a goose flying right across of the same species. That's what you got to understand. It doesn't exist. It only exists because somebody said so, and then you've got guys with guns to enforce it. But there is no border between United States and Canada. It was imposed there. Now, I'm not saying, to create anarchy or anything like that, but you got to understand the concept of this stuff. Somebody came up with the idea to put a border there. Does that make it so?